guys, it is Dylan here. Today I will be making a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol MVIS microvision. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on the company. These guys are a jack of all trades. They have very innovative technology. They do have automotive lidar, which is set to be announced this April, and that will be potentially an inflection point for the company's financials, as it could be a very nice massive production thing they got going on with an EV dealership or whatnot, or even that would just up the chances of being bought out significantly. There's a lot of things that the April automotive lidar can bring to the table for the stock, let alone the hype. But with that being said, we're going to jump right into the fundamentals. So I am looking at the 15-minute chart, as you can see right here. We broke this the bullish flag, which I did mention in my last video. We broke it, got a jump to 1640, and then from there we had heavy resistance. The resistance is at 1610. You can see right there, just simply wicks here, just price rejection, right? No candles closed above it. That is a nasty line. But you can see that after we broke the bull flag, we double bottomed out right here on these levels, and we did get a golden cross on the 9 and the 50, which is pretty nice on the 15-minute, and we haven't touched the 200 AMA on the 15-minute least. So when we do come to that green line, I do anticipate that being a nice support. So we did get a nice double bottom right here. The neckline will be at the $16.10 mark. I do think we would get a potentially pretty nice rip out of that if we do break that, but don't take me to a T, but there really isn't too much resistance between these levels. So yeah, but we might come back down and triple bottom out. It's not out of the question, but definitely keep an eye on that. You do see on the RSI we're at 57 in an upwards trend. I really like that on the 15-minutely. In the MACD's flat. We're gonna go to the 1 hourly. So you can see on the 1 hourly, out of these candles, you just really see a nice bottom out. Nice bottom out here. Looks pretty clean. The double bottom on the hourly as well. And we do have the 9-day MA and the 50 beneath us. We did bounce off the 200 AMA, which is my favorite support / resistance. If you've been following the channel, you definitely heard me say that. We got a nice bounce off this, and we regained the 9-day after we fell beneath it. Since we struggled to hold it right here, went beneath it, we regained that territory. So I do like to see that. So the MACD is very indecisive. It is looking like it wants to go to a golden cross really bad. You see the selling pressure just gradually decrease throughout the whole day, which is very good. If I go over to the daily, you see right here that we are contesting a golden cross. The selling pressure right here is dying down, and we haven't had a golden cross since 225. That is around a month and a half trading days. I'm just doing that off the top of my head. Don't take it to a T, but that is huge. That is definitely huge. If we get a golden cross, that will attract a lot of new buyers. Definitely watch to see if we get rejected there or we finally convert. That could be a nice move. So you do see 51 on the RSI. We do seem to like this 50 range. We haven't gone below it yet. I do like my stocks to be in a 50 to 70 range, generally going up, but 50 flat is fine. I'd like to see that snap out though. So the volume, we definitely did see a lackluster volume today, kind of in the same trend that we've been setting. Not really, but you do see that this 9 million bar volume, you could see around 30 candles or so in this cluster, which we did set. So it is kind of a norm, but that's the norm for the lower amount of volume. Like I think statistically we're under the volume fry. I forget what it is, but we kind of had lackluster volume, but it's not too bad is what I'm saying. But we do want to see that pick up, and it isn't the end of the day quite, so this could pick up a little bit, but currently it is at 8.93 million. It won't pick up too much, but yeah, that's how the volume's looking. So just looking at all this, the price action, you can see since the 22nd, we have been just kind of consolidating. It's been a massive consolidation phase. I'm actually going to delete these lines just so you guys can see what I'm talking about a little better. I can just go back and just put them back on. So you can see that we have been consolidating between these levels basically for the last while now, honestly. You know, we just been consolidating, coming down, coming up, coming down. Um, and we did get a double bottom on the daily. So you see one bottom right here, and then we see another bottom right here. So the neckline is at 1950, which is a little extended. It's more like 1920 or something like that, yeah. So if we do break that, that will be a nice break on the double bottom. And we've just been consolidating in this phase nonetheless. So if we break 19, it does look like a pretty clear path to at least 21, I would say. But I wouldn't say we'd have a parabolic movement, but it's not out of the question. If you know, it's a possibility, but no one has a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball. Definitely do your own due diligence and all that. But with that being said, I'm very happy that I could bring this video to you guys, as it does look pretty nice. We did get a nice hammer candle, by the way, on the daily, which does show low price rejection, so you do like to see that. But with that being said, I really do appreciate you guys sticking to this point of the video. If you want to like and subscribe, that would really help me out with the algorithm and all that, but I'm not going to beg. I appreciate you guys sticking to this point of the video. Nonetheless, I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good day, and I do mean that genuinely. Take it easy, guys.